Hello, this is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing with Lifestyle Changes. Today we're going to look at 6 awesome benefits of basil. Basil is a great source of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which help to defend against chronic diseases, including cancer, arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. It also has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory benefits. Basil comes from a Greek word, which means royal. There are more than 60 varieties of basil, with sweet basil being the most common. Now, this is sweet basil right here. And this is the most common that you will see, especially in the grocery store. Basil is a commonly used herb in Italian cooking, as you well know. You can purchase basil as an extract, an essential oil, a powder, or use the fresh plants grown in your home to garnish and flavor your favorite dishes. Like parsley, many people think of it as just a garnish to decorate your plate, but both parsley and basil are so much more than that. And when you see the benefits, you, like me, will not want to pass this herb up, especially when it lies on your plate. So here are the 6 awesome benefits of basil. Number 1, basil improves digestion. It contains ursolic acid, a compound rich in both antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, known to improve liver function and digestion. It also has antispasmodic properties, which help prevent excess gas and stomach cramps. Number 2, basil helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Traditional Chinese medicine has used basil to treat heart disease for centuries. Research shows it can reduce high blood pressure as well as improve cholesterol levels. Holy basil contains eugenol, an oil that helps to relax the blood vessels. It's the tannins, saponins, and flavonoids in basil that prevent the formation of free radicals in the body, which can cause damage to our arteries. These same tannins and flavonoids also help to lower levels of bad cholesterol. Number 3, basil improves blood sugar levels. Basil has been proven in both human and lab studies to manage blood sugar levels, especially with basil extract. It stimulates insulin production in the pancreas and inhibits glucose production in the liver. Number 4, basil boosts mental health. In a systematic review of 4 studies, it was shown that holy basil, known as the elixir of life in Ayurvedic medicine, helps to deal with psychological stress and mood conditions. Daily consumption of basil has been shown to enhance cognitive function, improve mood, and reduce stress and anxiety. One animal study showed promise with age-related memory loss. Researchers are now wondering if basil might improve symptoms associated with Alzheimer's disease. Basil contains generous amounts of linalool, geraniol, which both act on the central nervous system, promoting mental relaxation and improving insomnia and anxiety. And who doesn't need help with that today? Number 5, basil may prevent cancer. Research suggests that different varieties of basil, such as sweet basil and holy basil, may have anti-cancer properties and provide supportive benefits for cancer patients in the journey. It's the antioxidants and vitamins A and C in basil that help to neutralize free radicals that can contribute to cancer development in the first place. Laboratory studies suggest that rosmarinic and caffeic acid, which are both found in basil, may inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and induce apoptosis. Some research indicates that basil plant chemicals may enhance the effectiveness of chemotherapy drugs as well as reduce related side effects of chemotherapy. Now that's interesting. Basil extract has been shown to reduce proliferation and induce apoptosis in both hormone-positive and triple-negative breast cancer cells. Basil consumption appears to be safe and beneficial during treatment with chemotherapy. Plant chemicals in basil have been shown to reduce or reverse multi-drug resistance, increase the cytotoxic effects of certain chemotherapies that are commonly used in ER-positive and PR-positive and triple-negative breast cancer cells. And they protect against the heart damage that some chemotherapies can cause. Basil is not estrogenic and can be consumed during endocrine treatment for ER-positive breast cancer. That's good to know. And number 6, basil improves overall immune system function. A traditional Ayurvedic belief is that holy basil improves overall immunity when taken on an empty stomach. Researchers have verified this claim. They found that holy basil increases the T cells, which are the blood cells that fight infections. Packed with vitamin C and essential oils like eugenol, linalool, basil does strengthen the immune system. The antioxidants in basil can also help fight off harmful bacteria and viruses, supporting the body's natural defense system. Basil has been shown to contain compounds that reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are both linked to health conditions, including arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. There are many ways to enjoy the benefits of basil. You can make a basil pesto, famous in Italy. You can infuse basil in olive oil. Use it in smoothies which contain peaches, pineapple, or strawberries. Toss it in salads. Throw it in soups and casseroles, or simply eat it fresh off the plant, as I mentioned. And I did say, and it's true, I grow this plant year-round in my own home, and it's one of the easiest things to grow. It just grows like crazy with very little care. So opt for fresh basil whenever possible because basil contains carotenoids, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and beta-carotene, which are antioxidants, and these 3 plant chemicals tend to disappear during the drying process. While fresh or dried basil in food is generally safe in moderation, high doses of basil, essential oil, may be risky due to a compound called estradiol, which should not be consumed in large amounts. So there's a caution there. Also, basil can interact with blood thinning medications due to its high vitamin K content. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should exercise caution with basil in concentrated forms. As usual, check with your doctor before incorporating basil into your diet during pregnancy, and if you are on blood thinning medications like Coumadin, something to think about. Always run things by your doctor. But here it is, this plant, and I'm going to do just what it says to boost my immune system today. I'm just simply going to eat it. I love it. I love it. And since I grow it outside, Every time I pass by on the back porch, I simply grab a little bit and eat it. And it tastes so good. And as you've seen today, it's so good for you. And doesn't it just make you thank God for all of the many things He's created in nature to help keep our bodies healthy and to promote healing in our bodies? And basil is definitely one of these things. I hope this has been helpful information for you. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, like it, share this video, and click the notification bell so you will know when I post new videos. Until next time, here's to your health with basil, one of the many herbs containing plant chemicals that God has created for our healing. And may God bless.